welcome to day 2 of BAKEMAS. I'm in a really good mood today, so happy December.
Welcome to the Great British Bake Off.
Today, I'm gonna get cheered up because we are making, some might call it an iconic dessert, a staple of the Great British Bake Off. A self-saucing bud.
Oh,
Self-saucing.
Self-saucing. Self-saucing bud.
Self-saucing.
I have decided, okay dokie. I have decided to do Paula Hollywood's recipe for chocolate peanut butter. Essentially they're fucking lava cakes, like Rainforest Cafe. Technically, they are self-saucing. It's gonna have a little bit of a soggy bottom, but on purpose this time. Ayo!
I think because you put in fluid with sponge, anything could happen.
Let's get on into it. Let me get my cauldron. Wahaha, spooky AF, wrong season. So in here I have, Paul says barely simmering water. I'd say mine is pretty barely simmering at all. It's not really simmering. And I'm gonna take my chocolate and my butter. Holy shit, really? This is how much it was? Fuck, that's a lot of butter. We're gonna melt this down. Riveting stuff, folks. Oh, my hair tie, how unprofessional. It's a self-sufficient pudding. This pudding don't need no man. Oh yeah, you got a little more than simmering. So in this large bowl, we have sugar. I'm adding my egg yolks to it. Oh God, I'm covered in yolk. Gotta be yolking me. So now we add the 3 whole eggs to that. Whisk the eggs, egg yolks, and caster sugar together in a large bowl until thick and mousse-like. Fucking should have done my electric mixer. I think that's pretty good. We're gonna carefully fold in the melted chocolate to this, and then we're gonna sieve in the flour. Then we put it in, peanut butter, bake it, and bake!
Bake.
Wow. Buttery chocolate into sugary eggs. I don't know who invented all this shit. Okay, now we're folding it in, gently. Do you think I would make friends on Bake Off?
I think at first
Wow, that was... I'm not even gonna cut that as a jump cut. That was a very fucking long pause. So this is all mixed in, and now we sieve in the flour. Flour in here, and again fold this in, being careful not to knock the air out. That is ready. So I have these, I think they called them pudding molds. Got them off of Amazon. Didn't want to fuck up this recipe. Fucked up recipes before. So, what does Paul tell me to do? Divide 2/3 of the mixture equally between the 6 prepared molds. It will only fill them about halfway. What the fuck is that math, Paul? I didn't go to college. I think Paul Hollywood went to college. I'm gonna do 1 scoop in each of them first.
Okay.
And then see where that leaves us. Also, I have them in a baking tray because Paul told me to, but also because when you're doing individual desserts like this, it's kind of hard to put them in and out of the oven. Oops. Now it's time for peanut butter. I'm gonna just take 6 heaping teaspoons. Okay, well, we're just gonna be sticky. Get it in the middle. So sticky! Okay, now we're going to spoon over the remaining chocolate mixture. Onto a baking tray and bake for 8 to 12 minutes until the puddings are risen but not cracked. They should still have a slight wobble. Who the fuck knows? Be nice little puds. Bake well. Alexa, hey girl, set a timer for 8 minutes.
8 minutes, starting now.
Thank you. Dude, why isn't this sponsored? Okay, so I'll be back in 8 to 12 minutes, and we're gonna see what happened. Hopefully something good, because I
Really need it today!
Oh, those have risen a lot. Have a little bit of a jiggle.
Hey, yay, yay, sexies! I hope you come out well. Please don't fuck this up for me. My reputation's on the line.
How long do you wait?
Turn out the puddings and serve now?
Yeah, well, I mean,
now?
they're supposed to be hot.
Shit. How do I get them out? Okay, let's try this one. Fuck. Are we ready?
No.
Okay. They're good. I'm so glad they're neither red, neither of us are ready.
Okay.
Oh no, you're ready. Hey, Barry, please let this come out. I could fucking cry.
Ready.
Great. Oh, too far. Moment of truth.
Come on.
Yes! Ooh, I just breathed really heavily on that.
Very moist.
The pud has been sauced by herself. Good job, little pud. Ooh, baby. Do you want to try it?
I'm so
Woo
excited.
woo! Oh, do I have to introduce you? No. That'd be weird. At this point, it's the ball.
Chocolate and peanut butter, pretty much my favorite things together. Yeah, I have exactly 0 complaints about that. That is pretty fantastic.
I get a win. Good bake! Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell because you'll be getting notifications as opposed to if you normally had it on for me and be like, wow, once in a blue moon. Just saying. If you guys want to check out Ason and I, our socials are listed down below, as well as the podcast, all the rest of the things that I'm doing. Check it out. Happy holidays. Woo woo. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. Happy baking.
I lost the tune. Give me a clap if you're excited to bake.
Everything is falling apart, starting with me.